Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to divide a decimal by a decimal. This will be an easy math tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to be giving you two different examples and telling you exactly how to do this. So for the first example, we're going to do a number like this. We will do, let me make sure it's on camera, we will do 4.25 divided by 0.5. So 4.25 divided by 0.5, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to just rewrite it in the proper format over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and we'll do the division symbol right over there. And then obviously the 0.5 goes on the outside and the 4.25 goes on the inside. Now, if you want to divide in a straightforward fashion, you need the divisor, which is the outside number, to be a whole number. It is 0.5 right now. It's not a whole number. So what we need to do is convert it to a whole number. So how do we do that? Well, if we take this number, let me try that again. Well, if we take this number, one more time with enthusiasm. Well, if we take this number, we multiply it by 10, this decimal moves over here. So it becomes 5. And we do the same thing to this number over here. The decimal moves over here, and it becomes 42.5. So let's rewrite that. This is now 5. And then we have in here 42.5. So we took both of the digits, both of the numbers, both of the terms, and we multiplied them by 10. And now we have a whole number on the outside. Now we just do our regular division. So we're going to take our decimal, we bring it straight up because we have a whole number on the outside. Now we're going to go ahead. Can 5 go into 4? No, it can't. Can 5 go into 42? Yes, it can. The closest number is 5 times 8, which gives you 40. So let's subtract that. 42 minus 40 is 2. Bring down the 5, and this is now 25. Can 5 go into 25? Yes, it can. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtracted. We have 0 right there. Our answer is 8.5. Okay? We're going to do another example over here. Let's just draw a line down the middle. Let's go over another example. For this one, we will do a little bit of a bigger number to work with. 6.45 divided by 0.3, okay? So 6.45 divided by 0.3. Let's go ahead and put it in a regular equation. 0.3, like that, 6.45. Once again, we need this to be a whole number, so we multiply it by 10, which means that this decimal gets moved over here. And the same thing, this gets multiplied by 10, the decimal gets moved over here. So this is now 3, and this is now 64.5. Let's go ahead and put it again in an equation, 3, and just like this, 64.5, okay? Now, does 3 go, well, sorry about that, we're going to take the decimal, bring it straight above, since the outer number here is a whole number. Does 3 go into 6? Yes, it does. 3 goes into 6 how many times? Twice. So we put the 2 up here. Okay, and 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's go ahead and subtract it. That brings us to a 0. Bring down the 4. Okay, we bring down the next digit. So now we have a 4 over here. Does 3 go into 4? Yes, it does. It goes into 4 once. And 3 times 1 equals 3. So we're going to subtract it. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. We bring down the next digit, which is a 5. Okay, so we now have 15 over here, just to clarify. Does 3 go into 15? Yes, it does. It goes into 15 5 times. Okay, 3 times 5 equals 15. Subtracted, our remainder is 0. There you have it. Our answer is 21.5. There you go. That is essentially how to divide a decimal by a decimal, okay? Really easy. All that you got to do is multiply to make the outside number a whole number, and then multiply by the same thing for the inside number as well. Then you just divide regularly. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.